Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines designed for convenience and efficiency. Today, we will explore the Swoj Mini Portable Washing Machine and the DFJ Ju Portable Washing Machine. Both are perfect for small spaces and travel, but they have unique features that set them apart. Let's dive in. When it comes to capacity, the DFJ Ju Portable Washing Machine takes the lead with a generous 16 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. In contrast, the Swoj Mini Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 11 liters, which is still suitable for small loads, but may require more frequent washes for larger items. This difference in capacity can significantly impact your laundry experience, especially when dealing with multiple garments. The DFJ-JU model offers 3 distinct cleaning modes, allowing you to choose between 3-minute, 5-minute, and 10-minute cycles based on your laundry needs. This flexibility can be particularly useful for different fabric types and soil levels. On the other hand, the Swoj model does not specify any cleaning modes, which may limit your options for customizing your wash. This feature could be a deciding factor for those who want more control over their laundry process. In terms of construction, the Swoj Mini Portable Washing Machine is made from durable ABS material, which is known for its strength and resistance to impact. Meanwhile, the DFJ Ju model utilizes silicone, which is flexible and lightweight, making it easy to transport. The choice of material can affect the longevity and usability of the machines, so it's essential to consider which material aligns better with your lifestyle and usage. In conclusion, both the Swoj and FGU portable washing machines offer unique advantages for those in need of compact laundry solutions. The DFGU stands out with its larger capacity and multiple cleaning modes, while the Swoj may appeal to those who prioritize a lightweight and foldable design. Be sure to consider your specific needs when choosing between these two options. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.